live life on the river because life's too short to do it any other way. I'm about to show you the best kept secret on the banks of the Connecticut River. This is one amazing waterfront garden-style condo equipped with your very own private dock. This first-class riverfront living is situated on park-like grounds that offer a peaceful common area with scenic views and its own private gazebo. This space can be a sanctuary of privacy or even a great place to host formal events. Now enough about the grounds, let's get you inside to see this luxurious condo living up close and personal. Welcome to 8 Promenade Way in South Hadley. Here there are water views that can be seen from almost every room in this impeccably cared for 2-bedroom home. The open floor plan is carefree and is a beautiful inside as the outdoor environment that surrounds it. Fresh air is plentiful off any of the 4 choice covered porches. The master bedroom features new plush carpeting, 2 private porches, ensuite bath with jacuzzi, laundry and 1/2 bath can also be found on the main level for easy living. The walkout lower level makes for an absolutely perfect place for your out-of-town guests to stay, or as an in-law or even home office with covered patio overlooking the river. So grab a towel, get your shades, because we're going to be your tour guide to show you just how great the Connecticut River can be. The Connecticut River can be anything you need it to be, a place to enjoy water activities or a place for peace and solitude. This condo is just an enjoyable short ride to grab lunch or dinner at the boathouse or breakfast at Mitch's, or you can always find a place to picnic on one of the many beaches. Large live-on boats, small boats, fishing, kayaking, and canoeing, the Connecticut River can accommodate it all. So grab a towel, bring your shades, read a book, take a nap, drink a drink, sing a song, get a boat, and buy this home. Because life is too short to live it any other way. 8 Promenade Way in South Hadley, waterfront living at its best. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband Tom.
And we're your real estate professionals. And until next time, happy house